So for our clients, today we are going to give you a shoot around our factory, and we are at our incoming quality control lab. This lab basically tests all the cells that are incoming and all the materials that are incoming. Let me give you a tour inside. As you can see, this is the cell testing machine which tests each and every cell for its cycle life and other basic parameters. As you can see here, these are all the cylindrical cells currently that are being tested and are being verified for production later. You can see here we also have other materials including battery materials, shells and BMS, which are initially tested in this lab and then they are sent to the next phase, and then they are sent to the production lines for producing mass batteries. As you can see here, our engineers are working to basically make sure that each individual cell is at perfect cell level, cycle level, perfect voltage, perfect capacity, so that our clients get the best result out of the battery packs that we make. As you can see here, this is an initial stock which is being arranged for initial testing and initial checking so that it can go to the further lab.